Children, it is a continuation of the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. Now let us start the exercise 1 of the chapter. The first question, that is, in triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB equals 24 cm, BC equals 7 cm. Determine first one sin A and cos A, second one sin C and cos C. And here it is given that ABC is a right angle triangle. It is a right angle at B. Here angle B is 90 degree and AB is given. AB is 24 centimeter and BC is 7 centimeter. Here you draw the subsketch of the right angle triangle which is right angled at B, and given that AB is 24 centimeter and BC is 7 centimeter. And here we have to find out sin A cos A and also sin C and cos C. To find sin of the angle, we need hypotenuse, because you know that sin A is equals to, here the ratio is sin A equals side opposite to the angle A by hypotenuse, and cos A is equals to adjacent side to the angle A by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is required. Therefore, here we have to find the hypotenuse AC. That is, by using the Pythagoras theorem, we have to find the hypotenuse. So you take the solution. Then you write in triangle ABC, here it is given angle B equals 90 degree. Therefore, you apply the Pythagoras theorem to find the length of the hypotenuse AC. You know that square on the hypotenuse equals sum of the squares on the other two sides. It means AC square equals AB square plus BC square. AC square equals AB square plus BC square. So AC square equals AB is 24 square plus BC is 7 square you write. So AC square equals 24 square plus 7 square. Then AC square equals 24 square means 24 into 24. If you know it directly, you write, that is 576. If you don't know it directly, multiply 24 and 24. Find the product of 24 and 24 and you write the value. Here 24 square is 576 plus 7 square. Plus 7 square is 7 into 7, 49. Now AC square equals 576 plus 49. Here 576 plus 49, 9 plus 6 is 15, carry 1, 4 1 5 plus 7 12, and you will get 625. That is 625. AC square equals 625. Therefore AC is, here you take the square on both the side, square root of AC square equals square root of 625. So square root of AC square is AC equals square root of 625 is 25. You know that 625 is a square of 25. Therefore, here AC equals 25. So you got AC is 25 centimeter. AC is 25 centimeter. Now you can find the value of sin A, cos A and also sin C and cos C. First you take first one here, sin A. To find sin A and cos A. To find sin A and cos A. So here you know that you take the angle A. Here sine of the angle A and cosine of the angle A we have to find out. Here the angle is here and sin A is equals to that, you know, the ratio is here opposite side by hypotenuse. O by H. So you write sin A equals opposite side of angle A. O by H, in short you can keep in your mind, opposite side by hypotenuse. O by H, hypotenuse, that equals, here the angle A is here, means opposite side becomes this BC. BC is the opposite side. So you can write, so opposite side is BC. This is the side opposite to the angle A. And hypotenuse is AC. So you write BC by AC. BC by AC, that equals, BC is here 7 centimeter and AC is 25. AC is 25. Therefore, sin A equals, the ratio is 7 by 25. Next you take cos A. Cos A. Cos A, that you know, cos A is A by H. Cos A is A by H. A means adjacent side. Adjacent side by H is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Adjacent side, that you know, AB is the adjacent side. That is the side in connection with the angle A. So you write adjacent side AB. AB by the hypotenuse is AC. AB by AC. So AB is 24 centimeter. AB is 24 centimeter by AC. AC is 25 centimeter. So here you got cos A equals 24 by 25. Cos A equals 24 by 25 and sin A is 7 by 25. And then second, to find sin C. Here you consider the angle C. To find sin C cos C, consider the angle C, and which is the opposite side to the angle C, that is AB, and which is the hypotenuse. For sin C and cos C, hypotenuse is required. So here sin is O by H, cos is A by H. Sin is O by H means opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos is A by H means adjacent side by hypotenuse. So you write the first sin C. Sin C, that is side opposite to angle C. So you write opposite side by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is hypotenuse. So opposite side to angle C is, you know, that is AB. So you write AB and hypotenuse is same, that is AC. AB by AC. AB is 24 centimeter. 24 and AC is 25. AC is 25. So you got the ratio 24 by 25. Next cos C. Cos C, and the ratio cos C is A by H. A by H, that is adjacent side. Adjacent side. H means hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Adjacent side means the side in connection with angle C is BC. Right? BC by hypotenuse is, that is AC. So BC is 7 centimeter and AC is 25 centimeter. So it is 7 by 25. The ratio is 7 by 25. So here you got sin A is 7 by 25 and cos C is 7 by 25 and cos A is 24 by 25, sin C is 24 by 25. Now the second question. In the figure find tan P minus cot R. Tan P minus cot R, and here it is given that PQ is, Here it is right angled at Q and PQ is 12 centimeter and PR, the hypotenuse, is 13 centimeter. And here we have to find tan P minus cot R. Tan is, the ratio is, that is O by A. O by A means opposite side by adjacent side, and cot is A by O, that is adjacent side by opposite side. So here we need the side QR, because for angle P, QR is the opposite side, and for angle R, QR is the adjacent side. Therefore, the side QR is needed here. To find that QR, use the Pythagoras theorem and find the value of QR here. So write in right angle triangle PQR. Solution you write. Solution in right angle triangle PQR. It is as angle Q equals 90 degree. By the Pythagoras theorem, you write square on the hypotenuse equals sum of the squares on the other two sides. Here the hypotenuse is PR, as it is the side opposite to the right angle. PR is the hypotenuse. So you write, here we have to find QR means PQ square plus QR square equals PR square. Square on the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the square on the other two sides. Here we have taken PQ square and QR square in the LHS because we have to find the value of QR. Now you write PQ is 12. You write it is 12 square. Plus we have to find QR, write QR square as it is, and PR is 13 square. PR is 13, so PR square is 13 square. Then you write QR square equals 13 square minus 12 square. Here you can find the value of QR by using two methods. One is by using the identity. You know that 13 square minus 12 square equals, it is in the form of x square minus y square or a square minus b square. The factors of a square minus b square as a plus b into a minus b. So you can write 13 plus 12 into 13 minus 12, and 13 plus 12 is 25. 13 minus 12 is 1. So you will get 25 here. Or otherwise, here you can write the value of 13 square, that is 169, minus 14. This is 144. 12 square is 144, and you will get again 25. So use any one of the method and find the value of the QR square. Here you can use any one of the method. So you write QR square. 13 square easily you can write. You write it as 169 minus 12 square, 144. Otherwise use the identity 13 plus 2 into 13 minus 2. Then QR square equals 169 minus 144, that is 25. So now you take the square root on both the sides. Square root of QR square equals square root of 25, that is taking square root on both the sides. Then QR square root is QR. Root of QR square is QR. Then square root of 25 is 5. You got the value of QR, that is QR equals 5. So you got QR is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Now you can find tan P minus cot R. First you find tan P. Tan P, here the angle is P. Here you take the angle P, and tan P is equals to, that is O by A. O by A means opposite side opposite side to angle P and adjacent side to angle P. Here the angle is P. So here we have to take the opposite side and adjacent side of that angle P. And opposite side is here QR. And adjacent side is the side which is in connection with the angle P is PQ. Then you write PQ. So QR by PQ. QR is 5 and PQ is 12. 5 centimeter by 12 centimeter, that is 5 by 12. So what is the ratio you got here? 5 by 12. Next you take cot R. Cot R. Now you consider the angle R. Again here cot ratio is the A by O, that is adjacent side to it, adjacent side of the angle R and opposite side of the angle R, opposite side. So which is the adjacent side for the angle R? That is 5 centimeter. And which is the opposite side to the angle R? That is PQ. So you write first, that is QR by PQ. QR is the adjacent side and PQ is the opposite side. So you wrote here QR by PQ, that equals QR is 5 centimeter by 12 centimeter, that is 5 by 12. Here you got tan P equals 5 by 12 and also cot R equals 5 by 12. Then you write tan P minus cot R. Cot R equals tan P is 5 by 12 minus cot R is 5 by 12. So you will get 0. Therefore you can write tan P minus cot R equals 0. Tan P minus cot R equals 0 you got. But you can observe here that here it is no necessary to find the value of QR, because you know that tan P equals O by A, that is opposite side by adjacent side. You will get QR by PQ, and cot R is equals to adjacent side of the angle R and opposite side to the angle R. Then also you will get QR by PQ. Without getting the value of QR, you will get tan P minus cot R. Therefore you can write tan P minus cot R equals QR by PQ minus QR by PQ, which becomes equals to 0. So without finding the value of QR also, directly you will get the value that tan P minus cot R is equals to 0. Now the third question. If sin A equals 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Here let us draw the right angle triangle ABC and let us consider angle B is a right angle and A and C are the acute angle, and it is given that sin A equals 3 by 4. As it is the ratio, first you take here sin A equals, what is given here? Given sin A equals 3 by 4. 3 by 4, and you know that sin A equals, that is here is a angle and sine of the angle A is equals to O by H, you know. Sine is O by H and O means opposite side, that is opposite side by H is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse equals So opposite side is BC by hypotenuse is AC. As the ratio is 3 by 4, let us consider the exact values are not 3 and 4. As it is the ratio, let us have 3K by 4K. Here, let us have, as the ratio is 3 by 4, then BC let us consider 3K and AC is 4K. So that implies BC equals 3K and right, and AC equals 4K. Here K is a positive integer. What is K? K is a positive integer. Positive integer. As here 3 by K is 3 by 4 is the ratio. So let us take here K is a positive integer and BC is a multiple of 3K and AC is a multiple of 4K here. So here BC is the product of 3K and AC is the product of 4 and K. So here we have considered BC is 3K and AC is 4K. Now what we have to find out here? We have to find out cos A and tan A. And here BC is 3C, that is the opposite side of the angle A, and AC is the hypotenuse, and to find cos A, adjacent side is required. So here A is the angle, means the adjacent side of the angle A is AB. So AB value is needed. So to get AB, use the Pythagoras theorem. Then you write in right angle triangle ABC. Here as we have to find out AB, you write AB square plus BC square equals AC square. Square on the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. AB we have to find out, write it as it is. BC we have considered 3K whole square. AC is 4K whole square. Then you take here AB square plus 3K whole square is 9K square and 4K whole square is 16K square. Therefore AB square equals 16K square minus 9K square. Then AB square equals 16 minus 9, you know, that is what? 16 minus 9 you will get. 16 minus 9 is 7K square. Then you take the root on both the side. Square root of AB square equals square root of 7K square, and AB square root is AB and it is root 7 and root of K square is K. So you got AB equals root 7K. AB equals root 7K. So here BC is taken as 3K and AC is 4K and AB is root 7K. AB is root 7K. Now you write the required ratio. What is the ratio here? We have to find cos A and tan A. Cos A and tan A. Next you write to find cos A. To find cos A. You know, here the angle A is here. This is the angle A. And cos is A by H, that is adjacent side to the angle A. Adjacent side by, then to find cos A, you know that cos A equals, cos ratio is A by H, that is adjacent side to the angle A, and hypotenuse, and for angle A the adjacent side is root 7k. You write root 7k, or otherwise first you write AB by hypotenuse is AC, then it is equals to AB is root 7k and AC is 4k, then you will get the ratio is root 7 by 4. Cos A equals root 7 by 4. Next find tan A. Tan is O by A. That is opposite side by A means that is adjacent side. That equals, here for angle A the opposite side is BC. You write BC, and adjacent side is AB. Then BC is 3k and AB is root 7k, then kk cancels, you will get 3 by root 7. Tan A equals 3 by root 7. The fourth question given 15 cot A equals 8. Find sin A and ck. That is given that 15 cotangent A equals 8. We have to find sine of the angle A and secant of the angle A. Now you take the given 15 cot A equals 8. Then it is, that is you write, that is cot A equals what? 8 by 15. Cot A equals 8 by 15. And for angle A, here you take cot A equals, you know that A by O, that is tan A is O by A and cot A is A by O, that is A by O means adjacent side by opposite side, that is given 8 by 15. As it is the ratio, let us have it is 8k by 15k. Here 8 means it may be the product of 8 and k, and 15 may be the product of 15 and k. So let us take 8k by 15k, and you know that here, that is, let us take here adjacent side is, for angle A adjacent side is AB and opposite side is BC. So let us write 8 by 15, that is 8k by 15k. Now let us write here AB is 8k we have taken and BC is 15k. So AB is 8k and BC is 15k. And to find sin A and secant A, hypotenuse is required. You know that sin A is equals to O by H, that is opposite side by hypotenuse, and secant A is the reciprocal of cosine A, that is cos A. Cos A is A by H, secant A is H by A. For both sin A and secant A, hypotenuse is required. So we have to find the hypotenuse AC by using the Pythagoras theorem. So you take in, first you write, let AB equals 8k and BC equals 15K. BC equals 15K. And next here, take in right angled triangle. In right angled triangle ABC, angle B equals 90 degree. Angle B equals 90 degree. Angle B equals 90 degree. And here we have to find the AC. Then you apply the Pythagoras theorem. Square on the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. That is AC square equals AB square plus BC square. AC square equals AB square plus BC square. That is equals to AC square equals AB is 8K whole square plus BC is 15K whole square. Then you write AC square equals 8K whole square is 64K square plus 15K whole square is 15 square is 225. 15 into 15, 225K square. Then AC square equals sum of these two, 64 and 229. You know that 5 plus 4 is 9 and 6 plus 2 is 8. You will get 289K square. 289K square. Then you take the root on both the sides. Square root of AC square equals square root of 289K square. Square root of 289K square. Then square root of AC square is AC equals square root of 289. You know that 289 is a 17 square. Therefore, square root of 289 is 17. And root of K square is K. So, the root of 289K square is 17K. And you got AC equals 17K. AC equals 17K. Now you got the values of AC. Then you will get the value of sin A and CK. Now you write sin A. Sin of the angle A is equals to, that is O by H. Opposite side to the angle A and by hypotenuse, that is O by H means opposite side by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse equals opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Here opposite side is BC and AC is the hypotenuse. So BC is how much here? That is 15K. 15K. AC is 17K. 17K. Here you got it. Then you will get KK cancels. That equals what you got? 15 by 17. You got 15 by 17. Then next secant A. Now let us find secant A. That is CK. Secant A is a reciprocal of cosine A. You know that cosine A is A by H, adjacent side by hypotenuse, and secant A is H by A, that is hypotenuse by adjacent side. Adjacent side. That equals hypotenuse is AC and adjacent side is AB. That equals AC is 17K and AB is 8K. Then you will get KK cancels here. 17 by 8. Secant A equals 17 by 8.